Alright, so ask and bid prices. When you go on a holiday overseas, you usually want to exchange your home currency for the domestic currency of the country you're traveling to. And in order to do that, you would go to a Forex exchange booth. And these booths will always have two different prices, a we sell price and a we buy price. And depending on the transaction you're trying to make, you will be quoted at one of the two prices. So if you're exchanging your home currency for the domestic currency of the country you're traveling to, you'll be quoted at one of these two prices. And when you come back and you have all this excess currency of that other country and you want to exchange it back into your home currency, you will be quoted at the other price. Same principle applies on the Forex market. Any Forex currency pair actually has two prices, the ask price and the bid price. The ask price will always be above the bid price, and the ask price is the price that you would be quoted at if you want to buy the base currency. If you want to sell the base currency, you will be using the bid price. So here we're using the British pound Australian dollar as an example, and in that currency pair, the British pound is the base currency, the Australian dollar is the quoted currency. So if you want to buy British pounds, then you will be using the ask price. And this means that for every 1 British pound, you would have to pay 1.8873 Australian dollars. Now, if you want to sell British pounds, then you would be using the bid price. And for every 1 British pound, you would get 1.8866 Australian dollars. So as you can see, you're always paying more to buy than you're getting when you're selling. And that's the principle of the Forex market.